it's very important to include call to action in your tweets. For example, you could ask your followers to retweet, you could ask your followers to favorite it, or you could just simply ask people to click on the link in your tweet. Now, I do highly recommend you ask people to retweet because when people do that, you'll get more exposure. Okay, because now it's not just your followers that are going to see your tweet; it's also going to be the followers of the person or the people that retweeted your tweet. All right, so let's just do a couple of examples here. I'm just going to type down a tweet message here. And here's a very simple one. If you're in the health niche, weight loss niche, you could say something like, if you want to lose weight this summer, retweet. I will try my best to help you out. Okay, another one, if you want to get more creative, let's just say you're in um, the sports niche, particularly, say, the basketball niche. Okay, and let's say it is the playoffs. Cavs are playing the Clippers. You could say, who do you think is going to win tonight? RT for Cavs, favorites for Clippers. Okay, and RT means retweet. And what you could also do is you could also add an image to this tweet to get more attention.